Welcome to the wonderful earning platform of Earners. Earners is a fun and simple way to earn shopping commissions. Millions of people use Earns to participate in e-commerce to achieve the expected daily sales growth and to get rewards in its global apps and stores. In order to create the best rebate condition for users, we have established more efficient reward systems and rules, and we have provided consumers participation throughout the purchase process. And also we have proven that our unique high returns on investment, thereby increasing traffics, product visits and sales. Earners is based in Redwood City, California, which was established in 2009. We cooperate with big shopping malls such as Alibaba Group, Shopee, Lazada and Wish to increase their daily sales growth. When you want to be the part of this platform, for that you need to register yourself. So for registration, open the link of this application and then you have to click on the register now option. Then in the next slide you have to enter your phone number and then you will get a OTP code on that phone number. You have to enter that under the SMS code column. Then set a strong password in the third column and also same password in the fourth column. And here you have to enter the invitation code or recommendation code. When you will enter that recommendation code, then you will get free bonus. Then after verifying all detail, click on register to register yourself. After registration, let's download the application. So for that, click on the My Profile section and from here you will get a download application link. So click on this download button to download the app and then install in your device and then open the application and log in with your password and ID that you have created already. Here successfully you become the member of this application and now you will get to know how you can recharge on this platform. For this, click on the recharge option and then you have to select the recharge amount. The minimum recharge amount is 100 and the maximum is 50,000. So select the recharge amount and then click on recharge. Then here you are need to enter your mobile number and email ID. In order to ensure the success rate of transaction, then click on save. Then you will redirected to select the payment option and from here different payment options like wallet, net banking, UPI and Google Pay. So you can choose according to your convenience. Here I'll show how you can transfer amount using UPI ID. Here you can select any UPI ID. So I will enter in Paytm. Enter your verified UPI ID of Paytm. Then click on verify to verify this Paytm ID and then click on proceed. And you will be prompt in your payment application and you are need to approve this payment within 5 minutes. You can see here I have received payment request. So click on pay to approve this payment request. So click on pay and then enter the transaction password that you have set in your payment application. And now we'll see how we can withdraw the profit amount from this account to your bank account. So click on the withdraw option and here you have to enter the withdraw amount and the fund password. And before this you must bind your bank account details. For that enter your name and then mobile number and bank account number and IFSC code and then UPI ID and then click on modify to add your bank account information. Once bank account bounded, then enter the withdrawal amount and fund password. And if you have forget your fund password, then from here you can reset and contact online customer service to reset your fund password. And after the withdraw amount and fund password saved, then click on withdraw and the amount will be credited in your bank account within the allocated time by the platform. And now let's see how you can get cash reward from this platform. For that, click on the order option, then click on the go order finance and here you will get daily tasks and orders according to your membership level. When you have VIP level 1, then you will get 30 tasks per day. And when you will upgrade your VIP level, then you will get more tasks per day and you will get more commission. You can recharge and you can upgrade your membership level. In order to grab your daily task, click on grabbing and this will grab your daily task automatically and you will get profited. There are 4 types of finance product type. When you will invest your fund in type A, then you will get 5% of interest rate in 1 days and you can set this for 7 days. And when you will deposit in type D, then you will get 9.8% of interest rate in 1 days and this will be set for 180 days. The total interest rate will be 764%. So you can invest your funds in different type and you can earn more profit. and also you will get different level of rewards and commission when you will invite your friends. So click on invite friends option and scroll down the screen. From here you can copy the referral link, and also the referral code is here, so you can copy this and share with your friends. There are 3 level of commission when you will invite your more friend. For example, if you invite one first level friend and first level friend invite second level friends invite the third level, then you will get 10% commission from the first level friend and 8% commission from the second level friend and 5% commission from the third level friend. So invite more friend and get more cash rewards.